Microcenter offers a free DDR5 memory kit with AMD's Ryzen 9000 CPUs, 32GB for Ryzen 7 9700X, and 60GB kit for Ryzen 5 9600X. Microcenter is the first manufacturer to offer a bundle deal with AMD latest Ryzen 9000 CPUs, which include a 32GB DDR5 kit with Ryzen 7 9700X and 16GB kit with Ryzen 5 9600X. AMD Ryzen 7 9700X bundle with 32GB DDR5-6000 Kit and Ryzen 5 9600X with 16GB kit only at Microcenter. AMD Ryzen 7 9700X and Ryzen 5 9600X Zen 5 desktop CPUs may not offer the best value if we compare them to Ryzen 7000 Zen 4 chips, despite the company's best effort to price them at lower MSRP than the predecessors. It's just that the discounts and the current prices on the older CPU offers are too hard to beat, and unless we start seeing some discounts on the new lineup, they won't attract that many consumers. One way to add more value to the AMD Ryzen 9000 Zen 5 desktop CPUs is through game or hardware bundle. AMD's most recent game bundle doesn't apply to Ryzen 9000 CPUs yet, but Microcenter is now the first US retailer to offer a bundle deal on the newly launched CPUs. The retailer had previously offered some amazing deals and discount with the Ryzen 7000 5000 CPUs family, so this move was kind of expected, but not this early, as it has only been 10 days since the CPU became available in the retail shelves. And as we can see here, they indeed are offering the memory kit with the CPUs. So coming to the deal, the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X is available at Microcenter with a bundle of G.skill Flare X5 series DDR5-6000 memory kit with 32GB capacity. That alone should be a good $100 value, as this is the part price this kit goes for at various major retailers. The CPU is priced at $360, so you are essentially paying $260 for the Ryzen 7 and 700X, which is a fantastic deal considering the Ryzen 7 7700X cost $269 at the same retailer. And if you talk about the Ryzen 5 9600X, they are offering of $280, and they value around $150. So yeah, the Ryzen 7 7700X deal may still be better choice for the new PC builders. If that isn't available, Microcenter is giving you the newer Zen 5 option with added value. The AMD Ryzen 5 9600X is also available with a bundle deal, which gives you a 16GB DDR5-6000 kit for the same series for $200. This is a single stick, by the way guys, that costs around $50, so you are paying $230, which is around the same pricing as the 7600X. However, users will have to buy a second memory module of the same spec to enable dual channel for optimal performance, but you will have to pay less than getting a new kit altogether. Overall, these are nice bundled deal that add much needed value to Zen 5 offerings. We anticipated the first discounts on the Ryzen 9000 CPUs to land in September or October, since that's when we will be heading close to Ryzen 9000 X3D launch.